In today's repetition course, we will have a look at an interesting reaction sequence. Here with this toluene derivative, a tertiary butyl group in the para position, we can easily brominate in the presence of a base, and we will get both ortho-positions to the methyl group substituted by bromine. If we then treat this compound under acidic conditions, heating it up a little bit, then isobutene will be eliminated and we will get to the product where we have only 3 substituents ortho to each other. To synthesize this is only possible with the blocking group in para position. Well, and for a blocking group it is necessary that you can easily introduce it and easily get rid of it. Now the question is, what is the mechanism of this acidic driven elimination of isobutene? Well, first idea, if we think about protonating this molecule, well, one could have the idea, why not protonating in the ortho position to the tertiary butyl group? If we do so, then we would generate a cationic charge in close proximity to the tertiary butyl group, and why not? Maybe this will polarize this CC single bond, and the tertiary butyl cation, as we know, it is somewhat stabilized as a tertiary cation, could be eliminated, and from that, if this is deprotonated, or the presence of a base, remember, we still have a counter anion to that proton, then we would get isobutene, and here we have a free electron pair at that carbon. So, what reactive intermediate is that? This is not an anion. A free electron pair at a carbon with only 2 bonds. This is a carbene, as we should remember. And carbenes are highly reactive. They can do a CH insertion with this CH bond here. This is an ultra fast reaction. So, and the result would be our target compound. Sounds like a feasible mechanism, but we should look for an alternative. So, protonation could also be possible here. Yes, it is sterically hindered, but a proton is rather small. So if we protonate here, then we should have the cationic charge stabilized by the mesomeric center as close as the beta position to the tertiary butyl group. And also in this case, isobutene could be eliminated. Imagine we have hydrogen sitting here. The counter anion to the original proton will deprotonate here, function as a base. Then the electron density moves in and a fragmentation occurs. Well, that's all. And we are already here at that structure. So, let us think about what kind of reaction is it if it goes into the other direction. And indeed, these are all equilibrium reactions. So, from here, treating this with isobutene, maybe under pressure, and adding some acid, then it is the mechanism of a Friedel-Crafts alkylation in this direction. This works very well. So it is an equilibrium. It works in this direction and it will also work in that direction. Since that is clear, this one is the mechanism of the elimination of isobutene, which is presented usually in literature. However, I find both mechanisms rather feasible. Thanks for listening.